Machiegni pau tuke jakeno mar Gor Mahia FC Dolphina Odhiambo landa yanga ni ubiro laro bedo jakom mar klab no yiero mabiro. Kotwage jofwambo mananda Rachier tok jakom Ambroso Rachier bende lando ni obiro nuoyo lwete kaka jakom. Dolphina wacho ni board mar yiero manolandi gi Rachier onge go gi adier ko wacho ni IEBC kende ema nyalo timo yiero malong'o. Yiero mar Gor Mahia ochan tarik 13 dwe manyien e alap Manyayo Indoors Arena.
I am very much abreast with the challenges in the football industry, and I am ready like you cannot believe it, to face the challenges. I will not run away from them, because leadership is about being at the forefront, showing direction and showing proper guidance. I would even prefer the sports registrar to give us a committee, because now you can imagine you're the candidate and at the same time you want to be the referee. How does that work? You get? These people should have been vetted. They should be vetted by the AGM. And now you see the AGM and the elections are on the same day.